Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that despite the Trump-generated spectacle of intimidation and violence in Los Angeles against immigrant communities, the economic news has been contained. Over the weekend, and something of a relief, the US May non-farm payrolls growth came at 139,000, a little different from the expected 130,000, and only a minor retreat from the 147,000 growth in April. But that is a bit below the average for 2024 and well below the average for 2023, and the lowest expansion for a May since 2020. And data not seasonally adjusted, it was the lowest since 2016. The US labour market seems to be plateauing after a rather strong recovery in the prior 4 years. But hiring freezes and production cutbacks seem to be the themes coming out of corporate America. The landscape for reshoring isn't good, apparently. And there was May Canadian labour market data out over the weekend too. Somewhat surprisingly, that delivered an expansion of 8,800 jobs when a 15,000 reduction was anticipated. However, their jobless rate rose to 7%, the first time it's hit that level since 2016, apart from the pandemic. So that probably raises the chance of a rate cut at their next review at the end of July. And late on Friday, the Indian central bank cut its policy rate again, with an outsized 50 basis point cut to 5.5%, when a 25 basis point trim was expected. That makes it a full 100 basis point reduction since February. And today is a public holiday in Australia, so our markets will be quiet. Meanwhile, both sides seem to be gearing up for trade talks between China and the US in London. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.51% and unchanged from Saturday, but up 9 basis points for the week. And the price of gold will start today at $3,308 an ounce, down $10 from Saturday. American oil prices are holding at just on $64.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is still the same at just on $66.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 60.2 US cents and unchanged from Saturday. Against the Aussie, we're also unchanged at 92.7 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're still at 52.8 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today is just on 68.2 and unchanged from Saturday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.